Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get brand new looking wheels for just $4. That's right, $4 from Ace Hardware. It's a pretty good deal. So it's not going to look the best, but it's going to look pretty good. So this is the old looking wheel. It's not that great. It's scuffed up. It's kind of old. The car's old, but this wheel is pretty dang old. So we're going to make it look almost brand new. And the way we're going to do that is with some spray paint. I know that sounds a little ghetto, but you'll see the results. It's pretty amazing. So let's get right into it. So the first step you want to do whenever you spray paint anything, absolutely anything, is you want to clean it. So get some simple green, get whatever you want to use, clean your wheels or hubcaps or plastic or whatever. Dish soap even works. Just get it all over there. Make sure it seeps in, spray it all over. So just clean it really well. And then we used a pressure washer, but you can use a hose. You can use literally anything. Just spray it, get it all nice and clean. Do what you got to do. Just spray it down. All right, one go last spray down, and then after it's all clean and dry, you're gonna use some sandpaper. We use some 600 grit here, just like that. Get some 600 grit sandpaper and then sand it lightly. So you don't use 600 grit because you just want to microscopically rough up the surface. So nothing like too gashed or anything. You don't want to like permanently like super deep grooves. Just something very light, barely even noticeable. Just sand it all the way around. After that, you're just gonna get spraying. So about 6 to 8 inches away at a slight angle, short bursts back and forth, just like I'm doing here. Nice and light coats. You can always add more, but if you do too much, you'll get runnage. It'll look awful. You have to sand it again and then spray it again. We had to do that for one of the hubcaps. So just nice light coats back and forth. We did about 3 coats, but do as light as you like and do as many light coats as you like till you think it looks good. So here's our second coat. After about 30 minutes of drying, did our second coat. Again, nice light sprays across, back and forth, short bursts. Don't want to get any runnage. Just nice and light. Yeah, we'll make sure you get the edges too, all the weird cracks and crevices. You want to make sure you get those, but not probably as heavy or close as we did it because we got a little bit of runnage, but learn from our mistakes, so that's okay. Yeah, you want to make sure you get behind the wheel as well, like right on the rim, right on the edge. There's a little bit of curb rash, so we want to make sure that kind of looks better. And I was pointing to a little bit of a weird textured running thing because we did a little too much in that spot. So you just make sure you're getting all the nice cracks there. Take your time. This is a $4 job, so you want to make it look the best you can for how much you paid. So I probably sprayed on a little too much here. Just try and be pretty nice and light. Alright, so here's a little before and after. As you can see on the right, even though it has some scuffs already, it looks almost brand new. It's a little more metallic-y, a little more shiny. It's not as pale and old looking, so that's good. And then we decided to do the other wheels as well the next day. So here I am doing it a little too close, so I had to back up a little bit. Also, the cane of pan was acting a little up, so that's okay though. So here is what they look like when they were dried. They looked absolutely amazing in my opinion. For $4, like, it doesn't get much better. Like, the hubcaps look absolutely phenomenal, especially the ones that weren't scratched up before. But here they are on the car. Again, look amazing. The actual steely behind it is a little rusty, but the hubcap itself just looks absolutely brand new. Looks pretty much phenomenal in my opinion. So here's a little montage of me driving around. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more like this, and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you later.